Welcome, future Rubik's Cube Master. Are you ready to conquer this colorful puzzle? Many people look at a scrambled Rubik's Cube and think it's impossible. They believe you need to be a genius or know countless complicated tricks. But I'm here to tell you that's simply not true. You can solve it. Yes, you. This guide will show you an easy way. We will break it down into simple, manageable steps. Forget everything you thought you knew about the cube being too hard. Today, you start your journey to solving it with confidence and a smile. This method is designed for beginners. We focus on understanding, not just memorizing. We will use one main, super versatile algorithm, a sequence of moves more than any other. Think of it as your secret key. This key, with a few simple helper sequences, unlocks the cube stage by stage. You won't need to learn dozens of confusing codes. Our approach keeps things clear and straightforward. Before we start twisting and turning, let's get to know your Rubik's Cube. It might look like a solid block of colors, but it's actually made of smaller pieces. Understanding these pieces is the first step to solving the puzzle. There are three types of pieces on a standard 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First, we have the center pieces. Each face of the cube has one centerpiece. These pieces have only one color sticker on them. An important thing to know is that centerpieces do not move from their position relative to each other. The white center will always be opposite the yellow center, blue opposite green, and red opposite orange. They define the color of each face. Next up are the edge pieces. These are the pieces found along the edges of the cube, between the centers. Each edge piece has two color stickers on it. For example, you might find an edge piece that is white on one side and blue on the other. There are 12 edge pieces in total on the cube. To solve the Rubik's Cube, we need a way to describe its movements. Imagine trying to tell someone how to tie their shoes over the phone without common terms. It would be very confusing. So, cubers use a simple notation system. This system tells you which face of the cube to turn and in which direction. It's like a secret code, but a very easy one to learn. Each face of the cube is represented by a letter. Typically, we use F for front, the face looking at you, B for back, U for up, the top face, D for down, the bottom face, L for left, and R for right. When you see a letter by itself, like R, it means you turn that face 90 degrees clockwise. Imagine you're looking directly at that face. A clockwise turn is like tightening a screw. So R means turn the right face clockwise 1/4 turn. U means turn the upper face clockwise 1/4 turn. F means turn the front face clockwise 1/4 turn, and so on for L, D, and B. It's really that simple. Practice a few of these turns to get a feel for them. Now, let's introduce the star of our show, the main algorithm. An algorithm in cubing is just a set sequence of moves. The one we'll be using most frequently is incredibly simple yet powerful. It consists of just 4 moves, RU, RU. Let's break that down. R means turn the right face clockwise. U means turn the up face clockwise. R prime, means turn the right face counterclockwise. And U prime, means turn the up face counterclockwise. So the sequence is right face up, top face to the left, right face down, top face to the right. Say it out loud as you do it. This sequence, RU, is sometimes called the sexy move by cubers because it's smooth and very useful. Section 5, Stage 1 and 2, building the white foundation, cross and corners. Our first big goal is to solve the white face. But we don't just make the white face, we build it correctly. This starts with creating a white cross. This means getting the 4 white edge pieces into place around the white centerpiece, forming a cross shape. Crucially, the other color on each white edge piece must also match the centerpiece of the adjacent side. For example, the white-blue edge piece must connect the white center to the blue center. A good way to start this is by making a daisy. Find the yellow centerpiece and place all 4 white edge pieces around it so it looks like a daisy with a yellow center and white petals. This step doesn't need any special algorithms, just intuitive moves. Once your daisy is formed around the yellow center, look at one white edge piece. Note the color on its side, like blue. Rotate the top layer, the one with the yellow center and white edges, until this blue side of the white-blue edge piece lines up with the blue centerpiece on the side of the cube. Now that edge piece is correctly aligned. Turn the entire face that now has the aligned blue center and white blue edge 180 degrees or 2 full turns. This will move the white blue edge down to the white center, correctly positioned. Section 6, Stage 3, securing the middle layer edges. Congratulations on completing the first layer. You should have a solid white face, and the colors around the side of that white layer should form little T-shapes with their respective centerpieces. Now we turn our attention to the middle layer. Our goal here is to place the 4 edge pieces that belong in this middle layer. These are the edge pieces that do not have any yellow on them, assuming yellow is your top face color opposite white. Keep your solved white layer on the bottom D face for this entire stage. Look at the top U layer for an edge piece that doesn't have yellow on its stickers. Once you find a suitable edge piece in the top layer, for example a red-blue edge piece, your first step is to align it. Rotate the top U layer until the front-facing color of this edge piece matches the center piece it's touching. So if your red-blue edge has red facing you, turn the U layer until this red part is above the red center piece. Now look at the color on the top of this edge piece, in our example blue. This color tells you whether the edge piece needs to go into the middle layer slot to its right or to its left. If the blue sticker on top matches the centerpiece on the right side, the blue center, it needs to go to the right.
Section 7, Stage 4 and 5, the yellow cross creation and edge alignment. With the first 2 layers complete, your cube should be looking pretty good. White face solved, and the 2 bottom layers are all matched up. Now flip your cube over so the white face is on the bottom and the yellow center is on top, U face. Our next goal is to create a yellow cross on this top face. We are only concerned with the yellow edge pieces at this stage. Don't worry about the yellow corners yet. And don't worry if the side colors of the yellow edges match their centers yet. We just want a yellow cross shape on the U face. You will find yourself in one of 4 states: a yellow dot, only the yellow center; an L shape, 2 yellow edges adjacent; a horizontal line, 2 yellow edges opposite; or the yellow cross already formed. If you have the yellow cross already, great. You can skip to aligning its edges. If you have a yellow dot, no yellow edges showing on top, hold the cube anyway with yellow on top and perform this short sequence, F-R-U-R-U-F. Notice the R-U-R-U embedded in there. After doing this, you should now have an L shape of yellow edges. If you start with the L shape, orient the cube so the L is in the back left corner of the top face, like an upside down L at 9 o'clock and 12 o'clock if you're looking down. Then perform the same sequence, F-R-U-R-U-F. Section 8, Stage 6 and 7, the grand finale, positioning and twisting yellow corners. We are so close to solving the cube. The white face is done, the first 2 layers are perfect, and the yellow cross is formed and aligned. Now we just need to deal with the 4 yellow corner pieces. First, we need to get them into their correct positions, even if they are twisted the wrong way. That is yellow sticker, not on top. Look at each yellow corner piece. A corner is in the correct position if its 3 sticker colors match the colors of the 3 adjacent center pieces. For example, if you have yellow, red and blue centers meeting at a corner, the yellow, red, blue corner piece belongs there. Find a yellow corner piece that is already in its correct position, even if twisted. Hold the cube so this correctly positioned corner is in the front right top slot. If no corners are in their correct position, don't worry, just hold the cube with yellow on top and perform the upcoming algorithm from any angle. The algorithm to cycle the other 3 corners, leaving the front right top one untouched, is U-R-U-L-U-R-U-L. Perform this sequence. Section 9. You're a solver. Practice, patience, and the joy of victory. You did it. If you followed all the steps, your Rubik's Cube should now be completely solved. Take a moment to admire your work. That feeling of transforming chaos into order is incredibly satisfying, isn't it? You've learned a powerful skill, breaking down a complex problem into manageable parts. This simplified method, focusing on the RURU algorithm as a core tool, alongside a few other helper sequences, has guided you to success. Remember that initial doubt? It's gone now, replaced by the confidence of a cube solver. This is a fantastic achievement. The journey doesn't end here. Your first solve might have taken a while, and that's perfectly fine. The key to getting faster and more comfortable is practice. Scramble your cube and solve it again and again. With each solve, you'll become more familiar with the rotations and the algorithms. The RURU sequence will become second nature, your fingers knowing what to do without you even thinking about it.